Welcome back to our quantity surveying training series. In Chapter 1, we explored the fundamentals of quantity surveying, its definitions, roles, responsibilities, and importance in construction. Now, we move to Chapter 2, Earthwork Measurement and Quantity Takeoff. In this chapter, we begin looking at the first major activity in any construction project, earthwork. Before foundations are built, before concrete is poured, the natural ground must be excavated, shaped, compacted, or backfilled. Accurate earthwork measurement is essential for proper budgeting, tendering, and cost control. It may look simple, but earthwork involves depth classifications, unstable soils, bulking factors, working space, safety considerations, and strict rules of measurement. This chapter will guide you through all of that. Earthwork serves several important functions in construction. The first is site excavation or site clearance, which removes vegetation, topsoil, and debris. This prepares a stable surface for further work, because organic soil cannot support structures. The second purpose is bulk excavation, which removes large quantities of soil across the whole building footprint to reach the reduced level or basement level needed for construction. The third purpose is deep excavation, which includes trench and pit excavation. Trench excavation is used for strip foundations, water lines, sewer lines, and electrical ducts. Pit excavation is used for pad footings, pile caps, lift pits, and manholes. The purpose is to reach competent soil that can support structural loads. Backfilling then replaces soil around completed foundations and restores original levels. Finally, cart-away removes unsuitable soil from the site when it cannot be reused for backfilling. Let's look at each type of excavation more closely. Site excavation is the removal of topsoil, normally measured in square meters because it deals with surface area. Bulk excavation is measured in cubic meters and is used when the entire building platform or basement area must be lowered. Trench excavation is narrow and deep. It requires working space on both sides and is used for strip footings and service lines. Pit excavation is for isolated foundations and deeper structural components. Deep excavation is required when the depth exceeds normal working conditions, usually more than 1.5 meters. These excavations may require shoring, dewatering, or mechanical support. In quantity surveying, excavation is priced differently based on depth. This is because deeper excavations are more dangerous, require more support, and are slower to execute. Standard depth classifications include 0 to 1.5 meters, normal excavation. 1.5 to 3.0 meters, deep excavation requiring support. 3.0 to 6.0 meters, very deep excavation. More than 6.0 meters, extra deep excavation requiring specialized methods. Each depth class is measured separately so the contractor can apply the correct rate. Earthwork is measured in various units depending on the nature of the activity. Square meters, m superscript 2, used for topsoil stripping or site clearance. Cubic meters, m superscript 3, used for all excavations and backfilling. Linear meters, m, sometimes used for shoring, timbering, or trench supports. Compacted cubic meters, used for engineered backfill. Excavation must always be measured in bank cubic meters, which means the volume of soil in its natural state before excavation. This is important because soil expands when excavated and shrinks when compacted. One of the most critical concepts in earthwork measurement is working space. Working space is the extra width added around trenches, pits, or foundation excavations that allows workers to safely enter the trench, place reinforcement, build formwork, or install services. Without working space, construction would be unsafe and sometimes impossible. Typical working space allowances are 0.6 meters on each side for normal trenches. 0.75 to 1.0 meters for congested reinforcement. 1.0 to 1.5 meters for manholes and deep pits. Working space is measured only when required by the method of construction and is not automatically included unless stated. This concludes Chapter 2, Earthwork Measurement and Quantity Takeoff, following our earlier Chapter 1, Introduction to Quantity Surveying. In the next chapter, we will continue with more construction measurement topics. Thank you for watching.